Om Swastiastu! Hello! Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make steamed chicken in banana leaf, or we call it Cokok Siap. And here I have chicken breast 350 gram, and I'm going to use shallot, garlic, turmeric, ginger, galangal, lesser galangal, bird's eye chili, small green chili, and candle nut, white peppercorn, black peppercorn, coriander seed, palm sugar, nutmeg, shrimp paste, salt, coconut oil, and salam leaf. Of course, I'm going to use banana leaf to cover it. And let's start. This is some ingredient that I prepared early. So I'm going to use 5 cm of galangal, 3 cm of turmeric, 3 cm of lesser galangal, and 1 cm of ginger, 3 shallot, and 8 garlics, 5 bird eye chili, and 5 small green chili. So I'm going to clean the galangal, turmeric, lesser galangal, and ginger first. Just remove the skin. I'm going to slice them all into the small pieces and add it to the food processor. Now I'm going to add them into the food processor. I leave them for the moment in the food processor, and now I'm going to prepare the other spices. I'm going to use a 1/4 teaspoon of black peppercorn, a 1/4 teaspoon of white peppercorn, 1 teaspoon of coriander seed, 2 candle nut, and I'm going to grind it. I'm going to add to the food processor. And now I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. Blend it but not too fine. And now it's ready. So just need to take this out. And now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of palm sugar, 2 teaspoons of salt, and ½ teaspoon of shrimp paste, and another tablespoon of coconut oil. I'm going to mix this later, and now I'm going to cut the chicken. So here I have 2 chicken breasts. I'm going to cut them into the cube. The chicken has been cut, so now I'm going to heat up the steamer while I mix the chicken with the spices. So the first is I'm going to mix the shrimp paste and salt and palm sugar, which is I put here separately, and mix everything together. Add the chicken. And mix well. And now I'm going to prepare the banana leaf and salam leaf. For the salam leaf, you just need to, for 1 big salam leaf, like you see here, and I just torn into 2. For the small one, just leave it as it is. Now I'm going to prepare banana leaf. So next I'm going to cut this part of banana leaf. This is the hard edges of the banana leaf that I just cut. So now we're ready to wrap the chicken with banana leaf. I will show you. Here I have bamboo stick, but if you don't have bamboo stick, you can use toothpick. Salam leaf, banana leaf, and the chicken. So the first step I'm going to do is to take 1 banana leaf, fold it like this, hold it, and put 1 pieces of salam leaf, and put 1 good spoon of chicken. and then squeeze it. Squeeze this, fold, fold. And using the bamboo stick or toothpick to hold it together. We're almost done now. Just cut the top a little bit if they are too long. The steamer is ready. Now I'm going to put it into the steamer for 45 minutes. See you in 45 minutes. It's been 45 minutes now. The steamed chicken is ready. So I'm going to open once. When cooked, it looks like this. Normally, Balinese people having them with rice, like they put the rice on the plate, and after that they take 1 or 2 pieces of the Cokok Siap or steamed chicken in banana leaf and they eat together. Thank you very much for watching. Please let me know how your food tastes and see you next time. Matur suksema.